Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Reddit account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for a new tab and searching for a reddit.com and press enter. Then get logged into your account by providing proper account credential, that is your Reddit account ID and password. At very first, you need to click on the profile name on top right corner. Click on it. As you can see the option of profile, click on it. There are many options available. You click on account section. Scroll to the little down. Here at very last you can see the option of deactivate account. Click on it. Here you need to give feedback or any reason for deactivating your Reddit account. Before deactivating your account, you need to provide your registered Reddit username and password, so go for it. After this, you click on the checkbox. I understand that deactivated accounts are not recoverable. Now you click on deactivate. This action can be undone. Are you sure you want to deactivate? Yes, you click on deactivate. As you can see, I have been directed to the login page of Reddit. This is how you can delete or you can deactivate your Reddit account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete Reddit account permanently. Thank you.